Hi, welcome to Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Just doing a quick baby rabbit update. We did lose one, got out of the nest box and got cold. But let's look in on the remaining 6 and see how they're doing. Gotten quite big. You can tell what color they're going to be, their fur's growing longer, and their eyes are starting to open up a little bit. Oh yeah, their eyes are opening up a lot of bit. Fully open. Cover them back up, keep them nice and warm. Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.